What is up, everybody? My name is Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to install Forge for Minecraft 1.11 on your Mac. Here we go. Now, before we get started, I would like to go through what I like to call the Minecraft checklist. So, first things first, is your Java up to date? And number two, is your library folder visible in your user folder? Typically, this would be a three-part checklist, but the third part is make sure you have the most recent version of Forge, and since this video is about installing Forge, we don't have to go over that part. So again, make sure that your Java is up to date and that your library folder is visible. If you have done those two steps already, then we can continue. So the first thing you need to do is click on the link in the description below. It should take you to files.minecraftforge.net, specifically the 1.11 index. And as of this video, there is only a download latest option, and as time goes on, there will eventually be a download recommended option over here. But in almost all of my Forge videos, I almost always say to download the latest version. So that is what we are going to do. So right where it says download latest, click installer. You'll be taken to an add focus page. Now, just a warning ahead of time, add focus can be really sketchy on occasion. It can be really sketchy, so you need to be extremely careful going on this site. Your download link will actually be right here when you click the skip button, but also something else might pop up, like another ad. Don't freak out if that happens. There is always a way to get out of that. So click skip, and it should download just like that. And if you're in Google Chrome, it'll say something like this type of file can harm your computer. It won't do it. Click keep. And if nothing pops up in add focus, then you should be fine. So let's get out of here. Nothing did pop up this time. That's good. Now let's drag our Forge installer to the desktop. Now let's open up our Minecraft application. Where it says new profile, click that. Call it 1.11 and click use version release 1.11 and then click save profile. Click on your 1.11 profile and then click play. Once that is done, click quick game. Now double click on your Forge installer.jar. Click open. So as you can see right here, there is a new option when installing Forge. It is this mod. I can't even pronounce that name, so I'm really sorry. But if I scroll over it, it says a mod that collects statistics about Minecraft and your system, useful for Forge to understand how your game works, something like that. How Minecraft and Forge are used together. So I'm going to keep it checked because I support the development of Forge and I want them to create a really cool mod, and I want to send statistics is basically what I'm saying. So I want to keep that checked. You can uncheck it if you want to. Install client needs to be selected, remember that. Then click OK. Once that is complete, you should get a pop-up that says successfully installed client profile Forge. Click OK. Now I'm going to drag these two files to the trash. I'm now going to open up my Minecraft application once again. Under your profile drop-down menu, there should be a new profile that says Forge. Click on that, then press play. Alright, as you can see, Forge has installed correctly. Now, how do we install mods? So Curse has this really great Minecraft mods page, and this is what I'm going to use to find a 1.11 mod. So if I scroll down under where it says browse mods, I'm going to go where it says game version, and I'm going to click 1.11, and that should sort it by mods that work for 1.11. This is the mod that I am going to try out with Forge, and I will put this in the description below. Alright, I downloaded Journey Map. Let's install it. I'm going to open up my Finder. As you can see, I am in my user folder. If you don't know how to get there, it's really simple. Click on Macintosh HD, click Users, and then click your user folder, which should look like a house. Then click Library, Application Support, and scroll down to where it says Minecraft. And there should be a mods folder that created when your Forge installed. Click on that. I am now going to drag my Journey Map mod into my mods folder. I will now get out of here. Once your mod is installed, open up Minecraft. Make sure your Forge profile is selected, then press play. Okay, let's check and see if the mod installed. As you can see, there it is right there, Journey Map. I'm now going to create a single player world and see if it works. So I apologize for the fan noise in advance. I understand it's really loud, but look at that. In the upper right hand corner, there is our mod that is Journey Map, and it says there is somebody coming our way if I go this way. What are those characters? What is that? What could that be? So how can we configure this mod? How can we mess with it? It's actually pretty simple. If we click mod options, scroll down to our mod right here, and then click config, we have all of these different options that we can mess with right here. So for example, I'll click on waypoints, and then we can enable waypoint manager, create death points. We can set the distance. There's a lot you can do, which is fantastic. And if sometimes there will be some options if you click controls. So as you can see, if you click on controls, sometimes the mod controls will be present under the control menu, and we can change the different hotkeys. So for example, to create a waypoint, that's the B key. We can change it to, say, the V key, but I'm going to put it back. We can reset it back to the B key. To zoom out, minus, to zoom in, equals, all this stuff you can change if you feel like it. So let's get out of there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install Forge for Minecraft 1.11 on your Mac, and that is also how you install a mod with Forge on your Mac. All right, everyone, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.